Today we are setting up real-time object detection using ESP32-CAM with Python YOLO. As you can see on the screen, the system is detecting objects live and working smoothly. First, create a new Python file and name it yolo.py. Open this file in VS Code or any editor of your choice. Next, open the terminal and install the required libraries using pip. Wait until the installation process completes successfully. Next, in the code, enter your ESP32-CAM IP address. Now run the program. You can see the objects are being detected in real time. Now let's check what objects YOLO can detect. Add this simple 3-line code. Here you can see the complete list of supported objects classes. So in the next video we will implement custom object detection.